It's 3 o'clock.
Okay.
Call the meeting to order. Will the clerk please call the roll?
Brandy? Here. Eric?
Here.
Jay?
Excused.
Kurt?
On the phone.
Nancy?
Yes.
Mark?
Here.
Jeff?
Here. Okay. This meeting is about the appeal from Puffin Electric for the RFP on the swimming pool. And I would entertain a motion to move into executive session to discuss the appeal.
I move the Assembly go into executive session to deliberate on the appeal filed by Puffin Electric, Inc. on the Petersburg Swimming Pool Lighting Replacement Project, intent to award in the performance of its quasi-judicial function.
I'll second that.
Okay, motion's been made by Member Strand, seconded by Member Marole to go into executive session for the reasons stated. Is this a roll call thing, Debbie?
I think it should be just because we have someone on the phone.
Right. We have to, that's right.
Yes.
Okay, please call the roll.
Brandy?
Yes.
Mark?
Yes.
Nancy?
Yes.
Jeff?
Yes.
Eric?
Yes.
Kurt?
Kurt, are you with us still?
Oh, yes, I'm sorry, yes.
Thank you.
Okay, we are now going into executive session. Mr. and Strand and myself, the mayor, are in the assembly chambers with the clerk and now the city manager, borough manager. So,
This is Sarah. I just typed in as well.
oh, hi, Sarah. Welcome back.
Thank you. And I did send an email to Puffin representatives. Do you think we could wait a few minutes just for them to pipe in here?
If they expressed interest to call, I don't see why we wouldn't wait for a few minutes.
Okay. Yes, they did. So I'll send him another email.
And they realize that there's going to be no testimony from anybody today. This is just a assembly decision and discussion, right?
Yes, I have informed them of that.
Okay, thank you.
I just sent another email asking him to call in now.
Just so you know what's up.
Thank you.
I'll be right back. I'm going to make sure maybe knows.
Sounds good. Work comp. Sounds good.
Who was it that took care of the sidewalks? Was that the state?
Which ones?
The ones going up in Haugen?
State, unless PIA just did it without being asked, which generally if they do, the state gets mad. But the reason I say that is I saw them down here with their four-wheelers at one point.
We are being
So
recorded.
have they been plowed? I came that way and didn't even notice.
They just did. They took the grader this morning. I was walking to work at like 6:30 and they were out grading.
Sarah, did they, well, you sent them an email, didn't call them, so.
And plowing it to the middle and hauling it away.
Yep.
Wish they'd do all of them like that.
No, they haven't called in yet.
They have not. Okay. Yeah, I did. When we closed up, I told them to call in.
Here they are.
There.
I bet this is...
Is this a representative from Puffin Electric that just called in?
Yeah, this is David Freeman with Holmesville Barcott.
Okay, David, this is Mayor Jensen, and you're the last one to call in, so we will move forward. Is there...
We have we have Bruce and or Lane on the phone as well?
Did they call in? You're the only one that's called in so far, David.
I just got Sarah's email and just sent it to them.
Okay, so you're representing him today, though? And there won't be any testimony that taken today.
No, it's just for listening.
I understand that.
Okay.
But
Sorry.
if you can give them a couple minutes, maybe we can get one or both on the phone as well.
Okay, we'll give you a couple more minutes. In the meantime, this is all being recorded.
Oh, he split his face?
He's up here for a few days to visit here. I thought
Well, it was his name.
not an employee, but it was Jenny's boyfriend. He's here visiting for a few days. He fell, but she's moving into her new place out of Packy's.
That's right.
That's probably why he's up there to help her move. And she's running home to go.
Dang it.
Right to the hospital.
The bleeding.
Are you still there, David?
Yes, I am. In fact, I'm just trying to pull up Lane's phone number here.
Okay, well, it's been 4 minutes since we've started waiting for them when you sent the email. We'll give them a couple more minutes, and we're going to continue with the meeting.
Okay. What I'm going to try and do is call him, and he may not be looking at his email.
Are you getting any response by phone?
I just got it. We're on the phone here with the assembly. Okay. See my email? You guys have the phone number and everything? Okay, click on it. Okay, Mayor, I just got it, and so he's going to dial in.
Okay, as soon as he gets on the phone, we're going to continue,
That's fine.
providing he calls right away.
He was going to do that.
Good, thank you. Hello, did someone just call in?
Yeah, this is Lane from Puffin Electric in Homer.
Okay, Elaine, welcome, and we're going to continue with the meeting now. We've been in executive session, we're back in regular session, this is being recorded. So, is there any comments by Assembly? Member Mucci?
Mr. Mayor, I'd like to make a motion to deny the appeal filed by Puffin Electric Incorporated regarding the notice of intent to award issued under the pool lighting request for proposal, and to further adopt the attached decision with findings of fact and conclusions of law as the Assembly's decision in this matter in accordance with Petersburg Municipal Code 4.04.100E, and authorize and direct the mayor to sign the decision on behalf of the Assembly.
Is there a second to Member Mucci's motion?
I'll second that.
Second's been made by Member Castro. Any discussion on this?
So I'd like clarified what we're voting.
We are voting, the motion was to deny the appeal from Puffin Electric on the award for the lighting in the swimming pool.
Thank you.
Okay, Kurt, did you hear that?
Yes, I did, Mark. Thank you.
Okay, seeing no other questions, will the clerk please call the roll? A yea on the motion will deny the appeal.
Eric?
Yes.
Kurt?
Yes.
Jeff?
Yes.
Nancy?
Yes.
Brandy? Yes. Mark?
Yes, the appeal is denied with a 6-0 vote, with Member Stanton Greger excused from today's meeting. So with that being done, that is the last action by the Assembly today. I'll entertain a motion to adjourn.
So move.
Second.
Motion been made by Member Strand, seconded by Member Mucci to adjourn. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye.